Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today I'm answering your questions. So I have a question from Steph Murray, and she asks, should I offer my services as a social media manager and do certain tasks for clients, or should I design online courses for them to learn it themselves? Where is the most demand? Such a good question. I'll share what I did and why I did it. So in the beginning, this was a brand new business. I didn't have a huge following. I didn't have any following. It was like literally starting from scratch. So what I did was I did manage people's accounts. I did take on private clients as I was creating online courses, because online courses does take a little bit of time to, especially if you don't have money to invest in Facebook ads, which I didn't in the beginning. It does take a little bit of time to figure out how to get it up and running and get that audience, okay? So what I did, I needed the money, so I managed other people's accounts. And by helping them and having private clients, I was able to learn faster what worked and what didn't work. So I was able to add those things into my online course and make it even more valuable. So I think there's a use for both. And ultimately, you have to know what's right for you. So right now, I don't manage other people's accounts. I learned pretty quickly that I did not enjoy it. And so I think you need to try it to see if you like it. And what's the worst that's going to happen? You figure out, okay, this is not for me. This is not what I want to do moving forward. And then you don't. I think online courses for sure is where you ultimately want to end up, because that's where you're not trading time for money. But in the beginning, especially if you have no money to invest in Facebook ads and other stuff like that, then you're going to need to get your hands a little bit dirty and manage other people's accounts and take on those private clients and learn as you go. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to head to she'smakingimpact.com for more tips to build your business, and I'll talk to you later.